Ooh. I am name Iron Man in a peeps.
Jesus God!
What's good, beautiful people? I hope you're having a wonderful and amazing day wherever you are. Here, guys, I'm here and we're gonna make some special breadfruit dish today. Chef Boom Boom is gonna whip this up for us, guys. And I mean, so we're just gonna chill out. We're just gonna have a vibe. We're just going to eat some food and show you what go on. So if you have a breadfruit at your house, you can try this. And I mean, you can get your breadfruit and use the same recipe. It's a very easy and delicious recipe. You understand? The ultimate jerk stuffed breadfruit with ackee and saltfish. It's like a one-pot thing. So here what? Please subscribe, guys, and watch the video to the end and just come in and check what go on. We're gonna link up Chef Boom Boom and I'm gonna tell us more, alright? So don't go nowhere. Soon come.
Where are the people? So right now, I'm gonna make my favorite dish. Something that I created months ago.
Yeah,
stuffed breadfruit.
About a year ago.
Stuffed breadfruit. So I wash off ackee and some water, right? So I have the water here. I'm not gonna put no salt in the pot, but I'm gonna put a little bit of oil because I'm gonna use saltfish.
Stick.
So I'm gonna make the water boil up. And then I add in the ackee. And I'm gonna boil some saltfish right now. Pan the cold pot. Smooth forward. Boom. Ready? So ladies and gentlemen, this is ackee here, right? Wash it off everything like that. Make sure they clean up everything. So the water is boiling up now. How hungry? Please just drop in. See? So I make it the cover and cover it up. Make it go on down. Paddy! So I'm going to have the saltfish are soaking in some water. See? So now I just put another pot of some. Boom! So fire, yeah.
Boom. Do it again. I don't see. I don't see that. We don't see that. Saltfish step on counter. I wait for this order, yeah. Hey, Bobo.
Yeah.
Who you want to big up today?
The whole island.
The whole island?
The whole island, the whole world. Oh, you know, Africa.
Big up Africa?
Yeah, Africa the world, man. You know. Everybody else. Africa the world. So if you don't know yourself, you know.
Bayete.
Yeah, for knowing yourself, Africa is the place, man. Africa is where all the civilization begin. You understand? So you have to give you Africa. Big up Africa and then big up Nigeria, big up Kenya, big up South Africa. But like we're going to South Africa right now. You have one youth down there, are going good enough. You vote for him. Like we're going, get rid of them people up there. You understand? Yeah. But the whole Jamaica, the whole world, Africa. You see me? Big up the people them in India. Big up Trinidad! So ladies and gentlemen now, check the ackee. Alright? Check the ackee. Yeah. See, I remember say I don't want the ackee to cook 100%. I want to cook at least like 75%. It's just like if I'm gonna make chicken biryani and mutton biryani is the same thing. Because I'm gonna take it and then I'm gonna put it on the breadfruit and then I'm gonna roast the breadfruit. So we call it stuffed breadfruit. See? Ackee and saltfish. Boom. So right now people, the ackee done, so Now take it off.
See. Iron man.
Take it
God.
off and let the fire go and stay this.
Ooh. Oh, the sawfish are going. See sawfish.
The water just a bubble.
Okay.
Yeah, water just a bubble.
Alright. So what's next on the agenda, sir? Boom?
Then I go cook up, now pick up the saltfish, then I recook it, and then I show you the process.
Okay, alright.
So ladies and gentlemen, we just take out the saltfish.
Let's look at it, yeah?
Yeah, we just take out the saltfish. Alright, put some water on it. Alright, so we just take out the saltfish off the pot and put some water on it now. Alright, so here we go now. Here, kitty. Here you go. So we just clean up the saltfish. Here you go, kitty. Alright, peeps. So, I just pick it up, take out the bone, lemonade. Here you go, kitty. Alright, pick him up, make him stay there. So. Good job. How hungry?
Are you hungry, man? Yeah, that's you.
You know what I'm
I'm hungry.
Are you hungry?
You hungry?
Well, I'm gonna eat from the other day. Yeah, man, my mom got me all wheezy in ways. Man, Mr. Badly. I don't have no appetite, but I get in there. Boom. Ladies and gentlemen, alright.
From how you go on like your iron man, you know? That me realizing.
Alright. Some oil in the pot. Make it one. Burn up!
Right. Can't do that GX7 Mark X. Mark X, GX7 Mark, that can give problems sometimes. You know? You that people Tyron need a camera. Camera is good, you know, but it give problems sometimes, you know.
How hungry again?
Yo, I don't understand you know. You been chewing away the food, man.
I'm taking my time. Somebody hungry, man. Somebody hungry. So the onion peeps. The onion. Alright. So get off. See? Yo, scotch bonnet. Don't cut up the seed in it though. Nope. So alright peeps, here's everything now. So I have my tomato, them onion and my pepper. See? Some tomato, pepper and onion. Alright? Boom. No water in it. I'll throw a little bit of water in it. Alright. Ackee gone tonight. Alright. So you got the saltfish now, peeps. And the thing about ackee and saltfish, I'm not stir the pot. Granny stirring. And one myself,
So you do it like that?
you don't want to mash up the ackee.
Oh.
The ackee will mash up. Stir it lightly. You don't want to mash of that. Everything right. Alright. So now I'm gonna take it off and put it on the side. Oh, so this is basically Ackee and Saltfish in a cup. Alright.
Alright, what you doing now, sir? Boom?
So I create this recipe, people. When I was making the breadfruit, I was holding a meditation and seeing that the gravy, that the fully bad sauce that was in the breadfruit was boiling up.
Yeah.
And I'm like, wow, I wonder if I could put some breadfruit, like say, Ackee or Saltfish tonight. So that's when this came up. So what I'm doing right now, peeps, is just basically cutting up the middle. So basically cutting up the heart. Breadfruit are well fit.
Pause dollar for this, you know?
Eh?
Just stay there, boy.
Bombard. Somebody call the police. Take a look at this breadfruit, people. $1,000 for this breadfruit.
Yes, sir.
Somebody call the police. Somebody call RADA.
Call
RADA. Agriculture Department. So peeps, so it's just basically the mango I took out, right?
Yo, your Ackee smell good, you know.
But you're not gonna eat none now. So anybody can try this recipe.
Anybody?
Anybody, once you have an idea of what it's doing, can copy it.
Yeah?
Yeah. Try it, people. Try it. And if not, copy it. One of the morning breakfast dishes there. Yo, ants are biting me up in the G. Ants are mosquito. Yo, look here. A ticks. Grass lice. You see him? I'm feeling him up bite me, you know? See that? Yo! So I'm finished digging out the breadfruit, peeps. And everything. It reached to the bottom of that now. See?
You see?
Reached to the bottom. See that? It reached to the bottom. Alright. So let's see where I'm going with this. Let me get my spoon. So now I'm gonna stuff the breadfruit, ladies and gentlemen. See? So you just stuff it.
Subscribe, guys. If you reach this far in the video, please subscribe and like the video. That button over here, press that like button, please. Like a champ. Like a champ.
So here you go, peeps. Stuff in the breadfruit. Now I'm gonna roast the breadfruit. Right? So I'll take a piece of pimento stick. Oh. All right, let's stay right there. We're gonna go to the fire now. Fire, kick out of that youth. See that? Fire, kick out of the bottom of the Alright, now I'm going to put it in as I'm going to roast. I don't want that. I want this. solid right in the center. Right in the center. Now build fire around him. Make him bake from head to back. Alright, I gotta just take a couple of yeah. Don't want too much fire. Alright. So I got a special blending on the big peeps. Especially for fire. So I'm gonna turn this up.
You looking it? What?
You want to turn on? Want him about yes.
You can get a close up in night, looking at it.
Open it.
How is it? Come along, man. Coming along.
So now let's take out the breadfruit peeps. And the breadfruit is light. So to show you that it was heavy before,
Yeah.
and light. So it roast. The breadfruit now, yeah?
One active peeps.
Well roast. See it? Forgive me.
Yellow heart, you know?
Yeah. Forgive me.
Trouble. Ooh. I am name Iron Man in a peeps.
Jesus God! That's how I think said peeps. It's hot. The breadfruit just come out of fire.
Yeah, better eat.
Yeah. So you know say well
Knife, where your
hot.
granny knife? You can't find it.
Can't find my granny knife, man. And cold up on it, you know.
Take your time, man.
Cold up on it. Yo, Birdman. Banana, mango, pineapple and ginger. Sir. Yeah.
The almighty attack.
Come on.
Yo. What? Yeah, take your time, man. Take your time. Peel it over a plate. Anything of that way, no. Peeps, we have some guests, yeah? Cause I don't know, say, we alone can't eat off all our food, you know.
And a fan too, you know.
Yeah? Subscribe, but them come in.
You have a company called On Point Fencing.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I'm like,
Get a better drink, no? Better drink.
Juice up, you know?
Up. Cashew banana. Pineapple. Mango. Ginger. Lime.
hold this. No, I gotta get the way in.
Active. You say wicked.
Tough.
5,000 light.
Yes, sometimes.
I go on mix it up, what else give it back when you carry, you know?
And juice and power juice.
Power up, you know.
Power juice, people. Power juice. Power juice. Fully active, fully bad.
So let us get a different class in people. Because
Peel it over the plate. Peel it over the plate, brother. I mean, no one drop, you know.
This
No, nothing drop, you know.
Ackee.
Ackee and Saltfish, you have to remember that. You know.
You never know, something that easy.
That's Airbus.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good thing, Lego in there.
It's hot all the time.
Eh?
It's hot.
Yeah. Boy, I'm not telling a lie. I couldn't do better than you, appealing.
Why?
Eh? I tell you.
Hot. Pips. Yeah.
I've named this before I rain was, you know.
No.
Ooh.
I want.
Ooh, ha, he. Ha, he.
I said this, just a dish in man.
Yes.
Okay, now let's
So you want to see? You want to see jerk? See, what you mean, man? You want to see jerk breadfruit?
Yeah, see.
It jerk. That one is a stuffed one. Yeah. But I call it jerk same way.
Straight up.
You want to see fully bad sauce? Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm just cleaning up the place right now. So, dry them off and everything like that, right? It's alright. I feel this.
For morning, you see who want some.
Somebody
For
hungry.
morning, you say that.
Somebody hungry.
I see you get company. Eh?
Somebody hungry.
See you get company, ain't it?
Wrap up.
Yeah, mouse.
Where's the knife?
Knife? Yeah, no, yeah, knife. Take your time, man. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Just take a little time, my boss.
Put this on.
Yes, you know, yeah. What's up?
I feel time.
Like you did. You know, you have to go around, so. You know, yeah. What's up, man?
Two more.
Hmm?
Two more. Want some, Greg?
You know.
Yes, you know.
Machine, you know.
I'm washing.
A second. Take that off.
Cook one here, cook the juice.
Alright.
Yeah, boom, boom. Your creation this.
Yeah.
Share some juice and now. See the peeps?
Baby, guys.
Cool, man.
Baby.
Taste somebody.
Rain a go with that.
No joke.
Fully active.
Active, man.
Yeah, boom, boom.
Madman.
Yeah? Better eat.
Yeah, man, real, man.
Yeah.
So you can make the recipe here for yourself and everything. Yeah?
I'll try it, yes.
Better.
Yeah, better.
So you can get a refill for the juice. You know?
Them juice are good for your body. Health is a new wealth. Health is a new wealth.
Yeah.
So health is your wealth.
Yeah, man.
Health is your wealth,
Your
man.
medicine is your food.
Health is your wealth. A long time we not company, you know. We can eat some of my food, you know. Straight.
Come on, as my sport.
Yeah. Straight. See the people, see that we have company, so subscriber. You get me?
Right,
Make sure you comment on the video, but you know say you with that day.
Right there.
Cheers. So we have a sample for you though, boom boom. Yeah.
Right there.
Active. What you say? Better eat.
Better eat.
Alright, peeps. So we are going out now. Start me, my boss. Start me.
Yeah, I'm
Okay,
start,
people.
man. I'm start.
Okay. We're gonna come.
Yeah.
Guys, food blessed and sanctified already. You see, oil with it in it. Look, just dry down, run through breadfruit, everything. Exclusive.
You know what, Dada? I real man that today. On point bird man. Yeah? Yeah.
Boom boom.
Yeah, my brother.
Alright. Better eat. Oh. Peeps eat there. Rain a go wash you out. Look up there, sir. Rain that pan the land. Rain pan the land, peeps. Boom. Don't sample your food and slip them to you.
Yeah, people, my hand clean. That's the fact. Yeah, boy.
Better eat. Fully bad. Fully bad. Not even table you know there on.
Nice.
The breadfruit are yellow breadfruit. No? So you know it's sweet. Yeah, they put it on fire, man. They put it on fire, people. Roast.
People, African man work again. Huh? They don't know. The African people, them show what you eat with my hand. Huh? Oh, too much breadfruit in my mouth.
It's a breadfruit with choke, yeah.
And it's a breadfruit with the forward.
Hey, people. Don't you make a call. I'm not going to say that. I brave hard people eat breadfruit.
Like you? So, people, subscribe, like the video, and say, yo, wagwan boom. You see me? Just do that. Subscribe button. And HBO. Help our brother out.
Help a brother out.
Yeah?
Help a brother out, man. It's been a long time coming, done.
The second time with this.
Been a long time coming. Yep, boom. There's some juice on my father. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Peep. Active. Cheers. Boom. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
To the health. And well. Where you bought them juice here?
Bad! Yo, it's wicked like a judge, you know? What me say? Terrible. Watch out, being played. Done already, people. Watch out. Done already. Done already.
You know, you do that, oh, and I go back to Africa.
Very delicious.
Yep.
Alright, peeps, so guess what? Trouble. It's raining. Rain out there, guys. Yeah. Rain out there. So here what? Big up on yourself. Thank you very much for watching this week's video. You see me? Boom. What you say?
They are boom. You see it?
They are boom.
Yeah, they are boom. Alkali Bayete boom.
Yeah?
African name,
Yeah? Definitely, guys. Guys, as the last video I'm making of the week, I look some donation to help finish up the building for Papa Jad. So I put a PayPal link in the chat as well as in the description box so you can help. Somebody donate so far. So I seek some help, you know what I mean? Cause I just want to deck it off, you know, cause it reach far. So guys, here what? Big up on yourself, subscribe and like the video. Yeah, what? Boom! Boom! Let's go on, guys.